Hi, this is the bird lady again. Early and rising bright. I'm doing this today because I want to create conscience of people that have schizophrenia, people that have a Down syndrome, people that have, according to science and humanity, is retarded because they don't do what a normal person would do. Hi, hi. The dogs, I love them. I love animals. They should be treated better than humans, for real. Because they are there to help us, and they do. Anyways, like I was saying, people with schizophrenia, I'm one of them. This is why I wanted to do this. I'm one of the persons that has schizophrenia, and the people make fun of, and they think it's funny to mark another person because they think they're perfect, and that's not correct because nobody's perfect in this life. No one. Anyways, have a beautiful day. Good morning. Have a beautiful day, and why don't you guys think about this today and treat your animals way better than what you already do. And thank you for that. They thank you every day for that.